What if the next big tech shift isn't another foldable phone or a futuristic tablet but something you wear just like your everyday sunglasses? Samsung just teased its upcoming 2026 smart glasses, and the way they're approaching this could be the start of a brand new era in how we interact with technology. Instead of staring down at a screen, these glasses promise to bring a full AR overlay right in front of your eyes, meaning you'll be able to see notifications, maps, videos, and even games seamlessly blended with the real world without pulling out a device. Think about walking through New York or LA and having your navigation arrows floating on the street, or getting instant translations of signs while traveling without even reaching for your phone. This is the kind of futuristic vision that companies like Google and Meta have been chasing for years, but Samsung looks ready to deliver it in a way that might actually work for everyday people. The idea is simple but powerful: a lightweight pair of glasses that look like stylish sunglasses but with built-in micro projectors that overlay digital content directly into your vision. No bulky headset, no massive visor like the Vision Pro, just something that looks and feels normal. Reports suggest these will tie directly into the Galaxy ecosystem, so your phone, smartwatch, and even your earbuds will sync seamlessly, making the glasses more of an extension of your existing devices rather than replacing them completely. That's key because it lowers the barrier to entry. You won't need to learn a new platform. You'll just wear the glasses and suddenly your notifications, calls, and apps are all there floating naturally in front of you. Samsung is reportedly focusing heavily on keeping the design slim and comfortable, so unlike early AR attempts, these could actually be wearable all day long. Imagine sitting at a coffee shop with a friend while quietly checking your messages in your field of view, or watching YouTube in the middle of your living room on what feels like a massive floating screen. Productivity could be huge too. Think about opening multiple windows in your glasses while you work, one showing your email, another showing notes, another streaming your favorite playlist, all without cluttering a desk with monitors. It's not just about fun but also about changing how we multitask in real life. Of course, Samsung is facing big challenges. AR glasses have to deal with issues like battery life, heat, brightness, and of course privacy concerns. People will definitely wonder how discrete cameras or sensors might be used. But if Samsung pulls it off and makes these smart glasses as natural to wear as a smartwatch, it could push the industry into a whole new wave of wearable adoption. Leaks suggest the first official preview could come as early as CES 2026, with a possible consumer launch later that year. And while Apple is working on refining the Vision Pro and Meta continues its push with Ray-Ban Meta glasses, Samsung could position itself right in the sweet spot by creating a product that feels futuristic yet practical. The dream of AR glasses replacing our smartphones has been around for years, but this is the closest it's ever felt to becoming mainstream. Imagine never pulling your phone out of your pocket because your glasses already show you everything you need: directions, FaceTime calls, games, even fitness data while you jog. It's like a heads-up display for your entire life. And if Samsung nails the comfort and style aspect, people might actually want to wear them. This could easily be the biggest wearable leap since the Apple Watch. The tech world is buzzing because the idea of ditching a physical screen for an invisible overlay is both exciting and a little scary, but change always is. So here's the big question: would you trust smart glasses to replace your screen, or does the idea of having a constant digital overlay in your vision feel too much? Let me know in the comments what feature would make you actually want to buy a pair of AR glasses. For me, it's navigation and media, but for you it might be something completely different. One thing's for sure: if Samsung gets this right, the way we look at screens in 2026 could be completely different from today.